Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're here and you clicked on this video, it's because you want to learn how to customize your new homepage using iPhone's new update, iOS 14. If that's what you want to see and you want to customize your homepage, you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you. So grab a snack, sit down, and yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what my phone looks like so far, and I kind of went with like a soothing theme. As you guys can see, I have an ocean, the date looks different, I even have a rose gold pineapple, and I even customized my icons. Most of them are rose gold. You can see YouTube, even the word YouTube has a little camera, which means you can add emojis to the names of the icons that you're changing. First and foremost, for you to be able to do these changes, you have to download two apps. Those two apps are Widgetsmith and Color Widgets. Widgetsmith is the app that's going to help you customize these square looking designs, which is where my ocean is, the date is, and the pineapple. Color Widgets is actually what's going to help you customize your day and your time, basically like your calendar. And then the third app that you're going to need is Shortcuts. This app you do not need to download because I believe it does come with the update. So in my front page, I actually left Instagram just like that because I wanted to change it with you guys and show you how you do it. So how do you change a icon or, decorate it and customize it to your liking? So what you're going to do is go to the Shortcuts app. You're going to click on that. And this is basically what you're going to do every time you want to change an icon. You're going to go on to the plus sign and then you click on add action. And then on the searchable box, you're going to type open app. And then it's always going to be like the second option. So you click on open app. You're going to click on choose. And then for me, I'm changing Instagram. You would click on the one that you want to change. So let's look for Instagram. All right, so I'm going to click on Instagram. And then after that, really important, you have to click on the three buttons on top. And then it's going to ask you for a shortcut name. We're changing Instagram, which is, what you would want to name it for. Then you click on add to home screen. After that, it's going to again ask you for the name, and you want to type it correctly because this is actually how it's going to show up on your phone. So if you wanted, you can even add like a little camera next to the name, but I'm just going to leave it as is. To the left of the name, that's where you're actually going to be choosing your icon picture or, whatever you want it to look like. So what you do is you click on that picture, you click on choose photo, and then let's say I have my picture. It's actually right. So I'm going to click on the Instagram icon, and then you click on choose, and then what you do is you click on add. And it's automatically added to your home screen. So what you're gonna do is click done, or not even click done. You're gonna get out of the just get out of that app, and then it's gonna show up right here. As you can see, it already showed up here. So what you want to do is click on the screen to make the icons kind of jiggle. I don't have a home button. I actually have an iPhone XR. So if you do have a home button, just click on the home button for your icons to jiggle. If you don't, just click on the screen. So when it comes to this, now you're going to move it to where you want it. So I want it onto the first page. So I'm just going to move it like this and put it right here. When it comes to the original, I believe what most people are doing is moving it to the library. So what I'm going to do is just click on it and just go all the way to the back, all the way over here, all the way over here, and then click it right there. And then just click done. And that's how you change a customizable icon. The next thing that I'm going to show you guys is how to create the ocean and, these rectangle designs. So what you're going to do is go to Widgetsmith. But before you go to Widgetsmith, you're going to want to decide where you want that widget to go. So for me, for instance, I have more space on here. So let's just say I want to design here and I want it medium. So what you're going to do is go to Widgetsmith, and when it comes to size, you can choose the size of your widget. If you want it small, you click on a small one. If you want a medium, you can click on medium. And if you want a large, you click add large widget. For me, I want a medium one. So what I'm going to do is click add medium widget. I don't know why I keep saying widget. So what you're going to do is click add medium widget. and you're going to click on the new one that popped off. If you're just starting out, it's going to come off as black like that with a calendar like. So what you're going to do is click on medium 4. You always click on default widget, and then these are the options. You can leave the clock with the calendar, you can leave a calendar, you can just have the day, or you can customize it, which is what I'm going to be doing and what I've been doing all day yesterday, to be honest. So if you want to customize it with a photo of your own, you're going to scroll down to your customizable option. You're going to click on photo, and then once you click on photo, you're going to notice this little screen pops out in the bottom. It says selected photo. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to choose your photo, and this is where your library comes out. And let's say I want this design. It's already there. All you have to do is click out of it and just click on medium 4. You're going to save it, and then you're going to get out the app. And then, like I said, I want it on this screen. So how do you put it there? You're going to click on your screen once again to make them jiggle. You're going to tap the plus sign, and you're going to scroll all the way down to find the Widgetsmith app, which is where you created it. So once you click that, we already know, and you have conscious memory, that I chose a medium. So you're going to want to remember which size did you choose. So I know that I chose a medium, so I'm going to click add widget, and boom, it's already there. And then you just click done, and that's it. And obviously you can move it around, you can put it wherever you like. You can put it here if you like. And that's how you create a cute little widget with designs. If you wanted to say a quote, if you wanted to say like, or if you want a different picture, that's up to you. Me, you can go on Pinterest. I've seen a lot of people find a lot of cute things on Pinterest. Or you can also just Google it. I feel like that's the easiest thing to do. That's what I've been doing, just Googling things that you like. Alrighty. So the next thing that was going to show you guys was the color widgets. And here, this looks super pretty. Like, look how pretty these are. And I think this is so cool. I didn't notice that, but in these red little batteries, it actually shows me like how much of a battery I have. It's on 7%, but it's okay, guys. We're gonna make it. So look how pretty, and it gives you a lot of options that you can choose. I actually didn't put it. I don't know why, because I chose the big calendar, and I'm gonna show you guys. But for color widgets, you can literally choose any one of these. So let's say I wanted this aqua one. All you do is you click on it, and then you edit widget. You can edit it if you want. You can even change the colors. You can literally change the font. All you do is click set widget. Let's pretend I want it actually on my page. So what you do is you click set widgets, and you go back, and once you say you want a widget, it's going to ask you to click on the question mark, and that's how that's where the instructions come out. So if you click on this question mark, it literally gives you step by step how to do it. But I'm going to show you guys, obviously. So what you want to do is go back to your home screen, and then again, make them jiggle. With this app, you have to make everything jiggle, literally. So you want to click on the plus sign, and you're going to want to scroll to the app where you made the changes. So where did we make the change? We made it in color widgets. And then once again, you can choose the size that you want. If you want a small one, if you want a medium one, or if you want a large one. Let's say I want a large one, right? So add widget. Once again, it's going to add it to the last screen of your phone that you stopped in. So there you go. It's already added there. So if I wanted to keep it there, I can. I personally, I don't want it there. So what I'm going to do is remove it. And I think I've showed you guys everything, huh? I've showed you how to customize the icon. I showed you how to add widgets on your screen. Last but not least, you can change the calendars. So let's say I want a calendar, right? Let's say a calendar on here. So what you're going to want to do is go to Widgetsmith and choose your size once again. Let's add a new one so I can show you guys from the beginning. So I'm going to click on the last one that I added, which is large number 3. And then you always click on the default widget. So you click on that, and as you can tell, you can literally customize it to whatever you want, and it's using these bars that are in the bottom. So you can change it to the location that you're in. Me, I'm in Philadelphia. You can change it to the font that you're in. So most people, I know they like the New York one because it just looks really fancy. Or noteworthy is actually really nice. But let's say I want the New York one, the New York font. And then you can click the designs that you want it in. Let's say I want this really neon green. By the way, my favorite color is green. It's so pretty. And then the background color that you can even choose. You can even choose a different kind of background that you want. So let's say I want this crazy looking dark red. And then the time format, you can choose if you want it to say like 12:17 p.m. As you guys can tell, let's just say I want the system setting one. So I have already made the changes, and then what you do is you literally just click back to large 3, you save it, it's gonna pop out right here. And now let's get out the app, and that's it. Let's say I want to hear once again, you just click on the screen, you click on the plus sign, and then you look for the app where you made the changes. And then I believe I chose a large one. And there you go, guys. It looks super, super cool. I really like what the app did because you can literally customize your phone to your liking. This actually reminds me of an app that I did before, which was, I believe, called Cocopa. If I see like a picture of it or something, I'm gonna add it right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I remember doing this, and I don't know. I feel like maybe a lot of people won't get to the habit of changing their screens just because it's like it's time consuming, but it's not hard. I remember yesterday, which was the first day that I found out about how to change your screens, I was a little stressed out because I'm like, oh my god, this looks so difficult. And it's gonna seem like that. But what I would recommend is watch a couple videos and until you get the hang of doing it. One last thing that I wanted to show you guys, which is so, so cool, is a new feature that the iOS 14 came with. I'm going to show you that right now. So what you're going to want to do is go to settings, you're going to go to accessibility, and you're going to go to touch, and all the way to the bottom you're going to notice a new feature, and it's actually called back tap. And this back tap feature, let me tell you, it's going to change my life. For one thing, well, let me start with this. You can choose a feature to double tap to do something with your phone, or triple tap to do something with your phone, kind of like a command. So as you can see, if you click on double tap, it gives you all of the systems or all of the apps that you can choose in order to double tap to open up that app. I chose screenshot. So every time that I'm gonna double tap my phone, it's gonna take a screenshot. So let me try and see if it will do it with you guys right now. Yeah, it did. How cool was that? I feel like I really, out of everything, I feel like I'm gonna really like, and you're gonna hear my dog barking. Oh my god, the most thing I'm excited about, and like that I'm grateful for. I don't know about you guys, but it hurts me. Like it literally, I don't know if I'm weak. Maybe I had to hit the gym, but it hurts me to literally go like this and take a screenshot, or maybe I'm just lazy. I don't know. So yeah, you can literally use a double tap for that feature, or you can use a triple tap to, let's say, go back to your home screen. Literally a lot of things. You can go to volume down, volume up, but right now for triple tap, I don't have none. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.